Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this really nice faux marble table. Now it's so much more than just a regular table because it's actually a 47-inch long table that could easily seat 4 or 5 people. But the beauty of this particular table is, one, it was really easy to put together, and two, is it has a convenient slide feature on both sides that simply allows you to pull this and expand this out to a full 63 inches. Now once this is out, you can see in here there actually is a hidden leaf. You can slide this out and then insert this in here, and now you've got a full 63-inch table, which is really convenient, especially if you've got a lot of guests that come over. And speaking of those guests, whenever you have guests come over, one of the things you're going to want to have access to is possibly additional place setting, and they give you that ability with some nice storage down below. That way you can simply undo these nice doors and you have access to areas that you can store dishes or glasses or anything that you'd like to have, along with an adjustable shelf, which is nice, so that way you can go ahead and put any different thing, different size pots, use that as extra storage. And again, keeping all those plates and glasses handy and at the ready, because you may need those glasses with your wine storage. So up here you actually have 5-bottle wine storage that you can easily pull out anytime. Then you can go ahead and serve that up there, and you've got access to additional ones there as well. This is a really nice table, and it does come in a couple of different varieties. This is the faux marble, which I find very nice, especially if you're looking for a more contemporary look. But it also does come in a darker color as well. And this adjustability allows it to work with pretty much anyone's home.